Today we are going to replace the cabin filter on a Volvo SPA, if you know what that means. So first thing we're going to do is get on the passenger side. Underneath the glove box we have a few T25 TORX screws. So it looks like we've got one right there and one right there. So we're just gonna unscrew those. Once this is off, pull it gently and it'll come right off. So once you move those two TORX screws, it's gonna look something like this. And there's two little levers. You're gonna turn these. There's one here and the other one is back here. You're just gonna turn it to unlock it. And it's gonna take some force, but you just gotta pull it out. Take it out, there you go. Cabin filter exposed. And this thing is nasty. Ooh, so just pull that out. It's a weird angle, but just come right out like that. There you have it. There is the cabin filter. Now what you're gonna do is get the correct replacement of a cabin filter. I got this STP, I think from AutoZone. There's the model number, and we're just gonna replace it just like with the old one. Just stick it right in there. One more tip for installing the cabin air filter: make sure the airflow is at the bottom, pointing away towards the car, towards the hood. Just like that. So it's gonna go in, and we are just going to slide this bad boy back up there. It's gonna be a tight squeeze, but we're gonna fit it in that hole. Fuck with that, bro. Once you squeeze it in initially, the rest is easy. Just pop it right in there. Throw the cover back on. This is really hard one hand, but you get the gist. It's in. Lock the tabs up. And then we're just gonna put the cover back on with the TORX. Now the cover's on. Now we just screw these guys on. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, and that's it. Done. That's it. Just tighten it. Done. Finito. And that's how you change the XC60 cabin filter.